Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I welcome you all in FSEX Online Support and Assignments tutorial for Week 10. I am Zubia Razak from APS Chaktamni. The grade is 10 and subject is Biology. Recipe is chapter number 12, Coordination and Control. Objective is at the end of this week you would be able to understand about disorders of vision and contributions of Ibn Isa and Ibn al-Haytham from textbook pages 44 to 45. And now I will discuss about the main disorder of the vision, that is myopia. In normal vision, this image will be focused on the retina, and for seeing distant or close objects the image remain focused on this retina. So it is done by changing the shape of this lens. These muscles of ciliary body will contract or relax to change the shape of this lens. For distant vision, the muscles of ciliary body relax and the suspensory ligament tightens and the lens become more flat. For close vision, the muscles of ciliary body contract and the ligaments loosen and becomes more round or convex. Are you able to observe the sparrow which is sitting on the top of that tree? If you are unable to observe, then maybe you are suffering from the disease myopia, that is short-sightedness. The elongation of the eyeball results in myopia. Such persons are not able to see distant object clearly. The image of a distant object is formed in front of this retina. So the image of these objects in myopia or short-sightedness will form in front of retina, as you can watch here. For treating this myopia disease, the concave lens is recommended. This concave lens ensures that light is focused onto the retina of eye. So by using this concave lens, the light will be focused on this point. If you are able to observe or watch these near objects, then you are not suffering from a disease that is hypermetropia, which is also called as long-sightedness. It happens when eyeball shortens. Such persons are not able to see near objects clearly. The image of these objects will form behind the retina. For treatment of this disease, the convex lens is used, which focuses the image on retina of the eye. In myopia, people are unable to see the distant objects, and it can be adjusted by using concave lens. Due to the use of concave lens, the myopia is treated, and a convex lens in glasses is used to treat hypermetropia, which is long-sightedness, and people with this problem cannot see the objects that are near clearly. In normal distant vision, the image is focused at the retina, but in short sightedness, it is focused in front of retina and it can be treated with the help of this concave lens, and due to this lens the image will be focused on retina of eye. Next is long-sightedness, and the image forms behind this retina, and by using convex lens it will focus on the retina of eye. And now I will describe about the contributions of Muslim scientists. First one is Ali ibn Isa. He was a famous Arab scientist. He wrote three books on ophthalmology, which is the study of diseases and surgery of eyes. He described 130 eye diseases and prescribed 143 drugs to treat these diseases. The next scientist is Ibn al-Haytham. An Arab scientist made significant contributions to the principle of eye and vision. He is regarded as the father of optics, and he studied the behavior of light. His book of optics correctly explained and proved the modern theory of vision. He discussed the topics of medicine and eye surgery in his book. He made several improvements to eye surgery and accurately described the process of sight, the structure of eye, image formation in eye, and visual system. Ibn al-Haytham also described the principles of pinhole camera. Ibn al-Haytham's book of optics has been ranked alongside a book of Isaac Newton. It is one of the most influential books ever written in the history of physics. Did you know that owl is not able to see during daytime? The reason for this is the deficiency of cones, as you can watch on your screen, which receive and sense the bright light. But the presence of more rods give it greater power of vision during night. All animals that search for prey during night have this characteristic. And now it's time to discuss the home tasks for the day one. You have to read and memorize the concepts from textbook pages 44 to 45. You have to write about myopia and hypermetropia and how these disorders can be corrected. Write about the contributions of Ali ibn Isa and Ibn al-Haytham. Thank you and have a nice day.